said that you're the best kisser in Bollywood, and then your last sequence, I mean, Zahir, Tumsa Nahi Dekha, and Warren had kissing scenes. What is it? What do you have to say to that?
It's a package deal, man. It comes with my territory. It's I don't know, yeah. I didn't kiss in my first film, Footpath, but I've been kissing since then. I, I want to make the conscious decision not to kiss in my next film because it's become such a big issue. But yeah, as long as it's going on, I'm not complaining. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself.
But you also said that you are the best kisser in Bollywood.
Yeah, I think I'm the only kisser in Bollywood. The people actually, but I think because Murder was a hit and was so overhyped, I think I'd rather make that statement myself. So
Because your wife and you have an illicit relationship with Mudita.
yeah.
That's a combination most women would die for. What do you say?
Yeah, that is a combination people would die for, but I'm not complaining. You know, I'm getting to act with two beautiful women on screen, and one a wife, one a lover, and both are fine actresses. They've both done a great job. They've played their characters to the T, so it's good.
You murder had this angle of an illicit relationship.
Yeah.
Do the similarities end there or is there more?
It ends there. It ends there. I think the only similarity would be that there is the angle of adultery and the illicit relationship. That being with another man, this being with another woman. But that's where it ends. I think the film is completely different. There's no comparison whatsoever. Um, but I think I mean this film is giving us the same feeling it gave us when we made Murder. We knew that we had a winner on our hands, and this film is definitely a winner.
What went wrong and what has changed now?
Uh, well, nothing has changed. I still respect her for the actress she is. The kind of person she is. She's a fine actress. So I really saw her grow through the filming of Murder. Yeah,
Name her and say it, please.
yeah. Well, things haven't really changed between Malika and me. I've always respected her. I still respect her. There was a bit of a problem we had. There was a bit of a tiff that we had after the release of the film, but nothing that can't be sorted out. I think it's in our best interest to realize that we are profitable for each other. The whole team, if back again, brings out a very viable product like Murder was for the trade people, the audience. They would love to see a film again like that. So I mean, start off from scratch. I've always said I've enjoyed working with her, and a small problem like that I don't think I would want to let that get in the way of my career.